Yeah?
Baby, what is it?
I'm trying to look out from the window.
Okay.
I'm trying to look out from...
This girl is still here.
Babe, you need to speak to your sister. She needs to stop sleeping on the couch. Look at her feet. Very dirty. Before it develops some nasty odor. Huh? I don't like it.
Okay, baby, I'll talk to her.
Please do.
Okay. Please.
Very dirty. On my couch. Huh?
Sister, good morning. It's not morning yet. Hey, brother.
Please, make sure you wash your feet next time before you sleep on the couch.
Let me go and take a shower. I saw sleeping on the couch. I don't usually do that. What I'm butchering. So sorry, bro. Sorry. Oh my gosh. When I step off. Baby,
Yeah?
I think it's high time my sister started working so she can leave the house every day. What do you think?
That's a good idea. How about getting her to support you at the supermarket? She can actually work as a coordinator or an assistant manager. What do you think?
I don't want her to work in my shop. I know my sister, she does not like business at all. I was thinking of a white-collar job.
A white-collar job? I think there's a vacancy in my office.
What vacancy is that?
A cleaner. An office cleaner, yeah. But I don't know if she would like a job like that.
Oh.
But the good thing is, if she accepts to do that job, I can support her with more money.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, baby.
Yeah.
Okay, you know what? I'll talk to her about it.
Okay, that's fine.
Meanwhile, what do you want to eat this morning?
What do I want to eat this morning? I don't know, just make anything nice.
Anything nice.
Yeah.
Anything nice is not anything, but I'll make something nice.
Okay.
I miss you.
God, I've been looking for you everywhere. Where have you been?
You didn't come to the house to check up on me.
I did, baby. I did.
Hindubisi,
Oh, baby.
there is something I want you to tell me. And I need the truth. Please.
Babe, you speak in parable. What are you talking about?
Are you a rapist? Are you a criminal? Do you rape girls wearing a masquerade?
Babe, I don't understand. What do you mean by am I a rapist? Where is all this question coming from?
Please, if you do any of this, just tell me. I can help you get out of the habit. Please tell me.
Babe, I don't understand. What is the meaning of all these things now? I'm not a rapist. I am not a thief. I can't even remember me in Dubisi wear masquerade in this village. Please, I don't know what is masquerade, please. What is all this? By the way, who is even feeding you with all these lies? Eh?
Do you remember that guy I greeted that day? The one that ignored me?
Jerry?
Yes.
You mean Jerry told you all these things about me?
Yes, he did. Is he your friend? If he is, please, you need to avoid him. That guy is capable of killing you.
Frank, I'm coming. I will see you later.
Where are you going to?
I will see you later.
And do we see...
No. Papa, let me go. Papa, let me go.
Where
Papa,
are you
let me go now.
No. Where are you going with your machete?
Papa, let me go.
Yeah. Haba, you are not going anywhere. Who do you want to fight with?
Is it not that idiot that calls himself Jerry? Why is that guy doing all these things to me now?
Jeremiah, that idiot boy. I thought I told you to avoid that devilish and stupid boy.
Papa, I've been avoiding him all this while. Jerry has to go to call me thief, to call me criminal. Before my girlfriend, what is all this, Papa? Now, why now? They don't make this boy, but Papa, love me now.
Hey, no, you are not going anywhere. Butu, this is what we call character assassination. Why should he go so deep to impress a girl?
Papa, if I did not kill that boy today, I will never rest. Papa, leave me. Papa, leave me now. Leave me now.
Biko. Please, we are not going to kill anybody. Give me the machete, please. Give me the machete.
Papa, what is all this now?
Omekania.
Papa, what is all this now?
Agonia.
Allow me to go and kill this boy
Agonia,
now.
put your,
Allow me to go and kill this boy now. What is all this? Why is this guy treating me like this?
You know,
Why is this boy treating me like this?
Jerry is not your match. Forget about him. Give me the machete. You are not killing anybody. Now listen, my son. There are many ways to kill a rat. I will send a word to his father, so he will warn him.
Papa, I am ready to die. Is it that Jerry Bumuta? What is all this? Why is this guy tormenting me in this village now? What is all this? Why is this guy treating me like this?
Rapia is not your match.
Papa, why is this guy treating me like this now? Papa, allow me to kill this boy now.
Dajua. Ebugani mi iwe. Enye mi isi. Agonia. Butu. Let me keep the knife. Machete in my room.
What is all this? What have I done wrong to you, Jerry? Why is he following me up and down? Papa, I am not just happy. I am not just happy.
Jerry,
I don't want to disrespect you.
Thank you, my son.
I don't want to disrespect you.
Agonia,
I don't like all this. What is all this?
Happier. Happier. Ufu was of ihe ọ na-achọ. Don't mind that idiot. Don't worry.
I hope this beans is not for me.
The beans is for everybody. This is our dinner. Ogini.
You remember what happened to me the last time I ate beans? I nearly took a bed inside the toilet. I can't eat this.
Nine. You know beans is good to the body. Especially elderly people like you and I. Eh? This is protein and we need it.
Dr. Charity, please, I will not eat beans. You know?
It's okay, I've heard you.
Okay.
We'll still have soup left. So when you come back, I'll prepare swallow for you.
Okay.
So where are you going to?
We have a kindred meeting at Aloysius' place. That's where I'm going to now.
And when are you coming back?
Depends on when the meeting will be over. Because today we have so much to discuss.
Okay. In that case, please, call Ozioma for me. Let me know if she has started working.
Yeah. Is it that easy? Yeah? Ozioma left this village barely 3 or 4 days ago. Yeah? Now you want to call her to find out if she has started working. Yeah. Won't she even settle down, get acquainted with the environment before applying for a job?
What is she settling for? Nine, there is no time. Did she go there to go and sit in the house? Mbano. Olumiano.
Don't worry. When I come back, I'll do that. Yeah? Let me run along. I don't want to be late at that meeting and pay fine. You know, I don't have cash on me now. Yeah? When I come back.
Don't be long, go.
I will not.
I'm not settling down. Ojena City, relax.
Here? Right here. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Painful? Oh, sorry. What happened though?
I hit my leg on something.
You mean your toe? This one?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'll just twist it a bit. You good? Sorry. Sorry.
Take it easy now.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Let me just do it one more time. Yeah.
Oh. What's it, baby? Baby?
Huh? Yeah. No, nothing. I'm just
Ow. Are you okay?
sorry.
Are you alright?
Sit. You good?
Yes, baby.
Yeah, let me have to get your shoes. There you go.
I love the way your husband is taking care of you. He's a good man. Thank you, my in-law.
All right.
You're so sweet. You people are enjoying, My husband is the sweetest. Yes, you're right. I can see it. I love the way he takes care of you.
I'm actually performing my duties. Yeah.
You're performing it very well.
Right. Are you hungry? Do you want something to eat or?
Not really. But I can actually get something from the fridge so we can all drink.
We can get Carol to do that. Caroline.
But don't worry, I can do.
You can call out for her though.
Carol! Okay, let me go.
Yeah. I think. Okay, it's fine. Babe, let me just. Carol.
You hurt me.
What was that for? No, what did you do? Is that why you came to this house?
I did nothing, baby. Okay, I'm sorry. I got carried away.
Don't get carried away next time. Do you understand? Don't put me into trouble. Please.
Did you not miss me?
This is the last time. Be warned, please.
Baby. Let me see him this one. So bad. Hi. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Welcome, sir.
Ozioma.
Sir?
Ozioma, you came to work early today.
Yes, sir. I decided to come on my own since I already made the mood.
Alright, it's fine. Please, you need to hurry up. I have to start my work. Ozoma,
Sir.
I think the office is clean enough. You can go now.
Hey, let me...
No. I need to start my work.
Okay.
It's going to be a very busy day for me today. So.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Let me... You can pass. I'm just so bad this thing.
Ozoma.
Sir, I'm trying to finish it up, sir. I don't want to leave the dirt here.
I said that's okay.
Okay, sir.
You can leave now. Thank you.
Sir, in case you need anything, don't hesitate to call me.
How dare you! No! How dare No, how dare you! How dare you! Oh, you have the right! No! You were not in the midst of my government, I'm going to bullshit. What is happening here? What is happening here? Hey! My waist, yo! Hey! Hey! You should not give me my waist, yo! My waist, yo! Sorry. My waist. This is my waist. Sorry. My waist. Sorry. Sorry now. Sorry. Somebody help! My waist. My waist.
Sir.
What is it?
I want us to have a talk.
A talk?
Yes, sir.
Alright, sit down.
I don't want to sit down. I just want to be by your side.
Wait. I don't understand. What are you doing? Huh?
Nothing now.
Listen to me. Listen. This is an office, okay? You need to stop right now.
I love you, baby.
Wait. See, Ozioma, what are you doing?
I just want to touch you.
Listen to me. Do you realize I am married to your sister? Your blood sister.
It doesn't matter. Love knows no bound, baby.
Are you crazy?
Jesus.
Wait. Listen. Okay. I'm going to call security.
Calm down.
This is my office, my secretary.
Shh. Are you a baby? Let me ask you. Have you deflowered a woman before? I'm sure you have.
Ozioma, are you crazy?
I'll give you the opportunity.
Listen.
I'll make your dreams come true, baby. Just...
Get off me! What's wrong with you? Ozioma! I'm going to scream. I'll call security. I'll call security. Stop.
Why?
I'll call security.
No,
leave me like this.
Please touch me.
Stop now. You're embarrassing me. My secretary is going to come in.
What kept you? I've been waiting. What kept you so long? I've been waiting for you.
Your sister didn't sleep on time.
Okay, let's get started. What is it? Concentrate now. Do you have protection? How are we supposed to make love without a condom?
Don't worry, I know what to do.
Concentrate now. It's locked. So, let's start. Yes. Concentrate. Baby,
Yeah.
where are you coming from?
Oh, So I heard a strange noise. I decided to find out what was going on.
What was it?
Bola. Bola and her husband. They're fighting again.
Why are they even fighting this night?
I don't know. He's probably drunk as usual. Yeah.
But baby, you have to be careful. You can't go out every midnight at every slightest noise heard. It's unsafe out here.
Babe, come on. It's my duty to protect you and every other person in this house. Yeah.
That's why we have Adam. He's the gate man. Let him do his job.
Baby, I'm not disputing that, but I'm just ensuring that, everywhere is secure.
It's okay, but at least just try and be careful, okay? I don't want you hurt, please.
Okay. I have heard you, Your Majesty. Your wish is my command. Can I use the bathroom now? Thank you.
See as you just dey fresh, dey fine. You know I love you. I love you so much.
Carol, I could remember when you said that we are great enemies. That I should avoid you.
What are you saying? Are you not a man again? Eh? Must you take everything a woman says seriously? See, let me tell you. Then I was so mad at you, like I was super mad at you. But now I've forgiven you. I'm no longer mad at you. I've forgiven you so much.
That's it.
Take.
Who owns these clothes?
Oga now. Oga didn't tell you anything about this clothes today.
He didn't tell me anything. What is happening today?
See, Oga and his business partners are coming to this house today. So Oga wants to make everybody look good. I just finished ironing these clothes for you today.
So, what am I going to do with them?
Oga said that I should carry the clothes and give you. Today you will put it on. After today, you can put it inside your bag. Any day you want to wear it, you bring it out again and put it on.
It's a lie. It's a lie. How can I wear clothes like this? How?
I told you Oga is a very nice person. I told you.
You're serious?
Yes, now.
Oga is not only nice, he's also a godsend.
Yes.
You can imagine.
Just go and try it on. It will fit you very well. Put it on.
Yeah, go sit that. You see, in Igbo, I want to go bala. See, you know I'm a fine boy.
Yes.
And after wearing this clothes today, I'm going to pack it at the bottom of my box.
Yes,
Then I will be wearing it occasionally.
I know, just go. Just go and put it on.
When are the visitors coming?
Any moment from now.
Any moment?
Let me just rush inside and
You even never, man.
Go.
Hey. Nakwa.
Amara.
Okay.
Hey, go.
Ah, you can't go Christmas.
Very fast.
Oh, God, it's time done. We'll go back, yes.
Hi, baby. My love.
Uzoma,
Yes, baby.
please, you need to stop calling me that around here. This is an office. People know I am married. Please.
Why do you always like making me feel like a total stranger? Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I won't call you my baby. Maybe I'll call you my love.
What do you want?
Sugar.
What do you want? I'm busy.
I want you. Yes, you, baby. I want you to touch me. Make me feel like a woman as usual.
Uzoma, listen. Please. We need to stop doing this. Okay? We need to stop doing this. If someone sees us, I'm going to lose my job. I'll get fired.
You're right. Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. Sorry.
Uzoma, what?
You have absolutely nothing to worry yourself about. I've locked the door.
What is wrong with you? Uzoma, please get out.
No, baby, please. I've been craving for your touch.
Uzoma, get out! What is wrong with you?
Why do you want me to get out?
What are you doing?
Touching my baby. See, shh. I'm not wearing anything. No bra, no pants.
Listen to me. Stop. Uzoma, why are you trying to betray your sister? I'm married to your sister!
She betrayed me first. But I don't want to talk about that now. I want you. Make me reach orgasm. Make me feel like a woman.
Listen, you're a devil. Get... Uzoma, this is my office. Uzoma, stop!
Why? I want you. It's too late. Baby, please. Okay, let me just give you blowjob.
If I'm done with Jerry in this village, Jerry will know that my name is Ndubisi. Because of Jerry, my father fell down and broke his waist. I can't take it. No, enough is enough.
You need to calm down. The only thing that is supposed to be in your head right now is to treat your father so he can get back on his feet again.
No. Jerry must pay with his life. Yes, Jerry must pay with his life. And I'll talk about it.
Ndubisi, why not concentrate on treating your father first? You're not even supposed to fight. It seems like the guys in this village, they like fighting, you know.
Babe, I didn't intend to fight him. He caused the whole thing. I was on my own. You know me, I don't look for trouble.
You would have ignored him and walked away as a gentleman.
No, babe. If you see the kind slap this guy gave to me, even a coward will react to it. For what now? About this guy also a villager.
Fine. You are a brave man. Now, have you seen the malicious damage your actions has caused you? Tell me, how do you intend to get the money the doctor asked you of?
Adam!
Okay. Once again, you're welcome. Okay, just take a good look at me. How do I look? How do I look? Nwanebe godinebe. Shawamu. Watermelon. You see, Oga, I told Carol that I'm a fine boy. She said, no, that I'm lying. Now look at me. All thanks to you. Thank you, sir.
The outfit you're putting on, who gave it to you?
It's you, sir.
What did you say?
Like I said before, it's you, sir. And I'm grateful. Thank you. Animal. Okay.
Who gave you what you wanted? So you broke into my bedroom and stole my clothes?
Broke. How? Broke.
Adam.
Sir?
You broke into my bedroom without fear
At the place?
and stole my clothes.
Okay, I can't try that. I didn't broke.
You have no respect for me.
Okay, I do respect you.
You broke into my bedroom and stole my clothes without my consent.
Okay.
Who gave you these clothes?
Okay, no. Caro say...
So it has gotten to this level.
Okay.
You now share my clothes with me.
Hey, at the place? At the
Huh?
place? Okay, no.
And you stole my clothes.
At the place? Caro.
So you're taking me for granted.
That's
Adam,
Sir?
everything about you is wrong. Everything about you is so wrong. Let's start with your name. What's your name?
Adam.
Adam.
Sir, yes, sir.
Who bears Adam in this time and age?
Me. Sir.
You're a fool.
I know, sir. I know, thank you.
You have no respect for me.
Sir,
What gave you the effrontery? You went into my room. Get out. Hey, come here. Listen. I'll fire you.
Hey, sir.
But first, pick that
Sir,
up.
for this small thing,
I said pick that up.
because have your blood. I don't want trouble.
Come on. Everything about the guy is just so wrong. Adam, what is Adam? Who answers Adam in this time and age? Adam? Baby.
Yes, darling. You're welcome, my love.
I wasn't calling you. Where's my wife?
I don't know where that one is.
Excuse me?
You heard me. I said, I don't know where that one is.
Listen, Ozioma. Henceforth, you must address my wife with respect. She's legally married to me.
And who am I to you, Jacob? I'm asking you. I'm your official girlfriend. Once your love, always your love.
Please, shut up before someone
No, you
hears you.
should be the one to shut your trap. What is wrong with you? You're not the first sugar daddy in the world, and you're not going to be the last. Are you not man enough? Why are you shivering? Get it home. Okay, because
You have gone mad.
baby, please, baby. Baby, manito, tomo ke makachi. Hey, sugar. Baby.
Adam, my love. Sweetheart. I did. Tell me now, hi, baby. Just me now, what's happen?
Caro, you are laughing, right? No, you are laughing. Don't worry, you go soon cry. Very soon you go cry.
Wait. Who gonna make me cry? You, Adam. Wait, I be still dey remain for your village. Hey, wait, you no fit try am. You no fit make me cry.
Caro,
Lion.
Caro. So na me, Adam. Na me you set up. Na me you get mine set up.
No.
Caro, you don't buy market with that. You don't buy market with that. Don't worry.
Adam, see, make I tell you. Me and you, for this house, I go deal with you, You go use your hand resign. Oga, go sack you. Eh? You call yourself lion. Lion, you don't see how painful devouring is. Rubbish. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I saw how Oga punished you. But I'm sorry. Don't worry. Oga might come back now and see if you find you some more money. Maybe you could just go sit like Kai or something and be okay, you know now. Hey! You cannot so. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Just it's okay. You will use your sorry, buy the clothes back.
No problem. No problem.
I don't know how my body is doing me. And throughout last night, I didn't see my monthly visitor.
Huh? Wait. It means you are pregnant. Wait. Tell me, are you pregnant?
I don't know. I just shared my observation with you.
See, any month you fail to see your monthly visitor, it simply means you are pregnant. Wait. Ego, who are you pregnant for?
I don't understand. If it is true that I'm pregnant, we are responsible for it. I'm not ready to be a mother at this age. I want to go to the university.
You have seen me that want to be a father at this age. Ego, why are you this careless? I ask you, why are you careless?
Wait, are you blaming me for the mistake we made together?
Will you shut up? Mistake both of you made. Which mistake?
Oga, hey, let me tell you something. I'm not here to rant words with you. Prepare yourself. Are you hearing me? Prepare yourself. Which one are you mistaken?
Wait, see. So, calm down. So, what are we going to do about it?
I am not considering abortion.
What?
I am not considering abortion.
So what do you want me to be a father at this age? What have I done to myself? Ego, come. Ego.
Ozoma, I told you to always knock before you enter my office.
Please spare me that protocol. Your goods have arrived.
What stupid goods? I don't run a shipping company.
Your divine goods.
What is this?
Have a look.
What is this?
See for yourself.
What? Yes. You're pregnant? You're pregnant?
Yes, baby.
How and why?
Why are you yelling at me? Why are you screaming? Oh, what sort of question is that? I'm pregnant because you made love to me. Yes. Congratulations. We've seen the glory of God. Congratulations. I'm so happy for us, my love. Truly, what God cannot do does not exist.
Ozioma, this must be a joke. This is a prank, right?
It's not a prank, Jacob. It's reality. Why are you sounding like this? You should be happy.
Ozioma, what about your sister? about your sister? You want to have a child for your elder sister's husband? Listen, I love my family so much. I love my wife so much that I can't afford to...
Shut
I can't afford to ruin my marriage. Why are you doing this? Ozoma, why are you doing this?
Are you done talking like a baby? I don't care about my sister. I care about me and my baby. That's all that matters to me. Okay?
Ozoma...
Excuse me.
Hi. I'm finished. I am finished. I'm finished. Ozioma, you need to get rid of the pregnancy.
Well, I don't really understand English language. You heard me.
You must abort the child.
I would do no such thing.
Listen, I'm married to your sister. You want to have a child for your sister's husband. Why are you trying to ruin my family? Why are you trying to ruin my marriage?
Are you done talking? I don't care about my sister. I do not give a hoot about your marriage. I care for my child and that's most sacrosanct to me. Okay? Let me even ask you. You're here talking like a small child. Talking like someone who has lost his senses. Since you got married, what has my sister done for you? Look, I'm giving you a divine opportunity to be called a father. Instead of you to grab it with all happiness, excitement, jubilation, you're here talking like a lily-livered man. See, this should be the very last time you will ever call me for such senseless, useless conversation. You see this pregnancy? I will keep it. I will have my child. There's nothing you or anyone can do about it.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Jacob, how could you do such a thing? That's your wife's sister, for goodness sake. I've never heard of this in my life.
Ken, I feel so ashamed of myself. Everything happened so fast. Like, I don't know what came over me. I don't know what I was doing. I feel so stupid right now.
Well, the mistake is already there. How do you clean up this mess?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what to do. I have no plan. My head is so empty. I don't know. What do you think? Do you have an idea? Listen, I've known you for a long time. You're quite smart and intelligent. Do you think there's something I can do? Please, tell me.
This whole issue is complicated.
I know, and that's why I'm begging you. Tell me what to do.
I don't know what to tell you at this point. I don't know.
Think of something, bro.
Let me think. I have an idea.
As long as it will help my family, it will help save my family because I love my wife.
This is the best thing I can think about right now, and I think it's what will favor you.
Tell me, bro. You're wasting time.
Find the mama and the pikin.
What? What do you say?
Can you eliminate the baby, the mother?
Are you mad or something?
You said I should come up with an idea. That's the only thing coming into my head.
Please say something else.
Baby, you are here already. My love. Jesus. What are you doing in my room this night with a knife? What is the problem now?
Ozioma, you think you can ruin my marriage? I'll kill you before you do that.
Please, don't kill me. I beg you in the name of our unborn child, please.
Never. You will never have a child for me.
Okay, I will terminate the baby. But spare my life.
Ozioma, it is too late. Good. I've made up my mind to kill you.
No, you could. Thank God it's just a dream. Sister, are you okay? Yes, I dozed off here.
Oh, okay. Did my husband tell you where he was going?
No, he did not.
Okay.
What happened?
I've been trying to reach him and his number is not connecting.
Maybe it's bad network. You know these network providers now, they are very unreliable. I did not even see him in the office today, safe.
I don't know why he's not back. My husband doesn't keep late nights. I'm worried.
I'm worried for you too. Okay, send him a text message. Yes, so that when he sees it, he will know you're worried.
Okay. I'll do that right away.
Yes. But you don't have to worry yourself. He'll be back. You will understand me, darling. Switched off. Okay, go. I have tried his 2 numbers and they were switched off. Where has he gone to sleep? Could it be that he's afraid to come home? If that is the case, that means he's not man enough. He better come back home. Let's settle this once and for all. Finally, the long-awaited ball is in my court.
You okay?
Got me worried.
Did you pass the night here?
Yes, I waited for you all night, then I slept off.
Oh, I'm really sorry. I should have told you I wasn't coming back. Well, it's not like I knew I wasn't going to come back. I should have told Ozioma to tell you.
Okay, so what happened? Where did you go?
It's a long story, babe. Listen, the company had an emergency, so I had to sleep out. It's a long story. I'll talk to you about it later.
Okay, at least I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Sorry to have kept you waiting, yeah?
It's fine.
Yeah.
Let's go to the room.
Yeah, sure.
Ozioma told me something, so I need to tell you.
Told you something? Ozioma told you what?
She told me something, but let's go to the room. I'll tell you. Yeah.
This one, Oga come back this early. Where did he sleep last night?
Adam, no vessel. Make I ask you a question. Adam, this one Oga come back this morning. Where he can't sleep last night?
You the grace? Now the question I ask you, you come carry the same question they ask me. Waiting down come in now.
That one mean, Adam, mind your business. Stop prognosing in people's business. Mind your own. What's be your own? If I tell you where Oga go last night go sleep, you go beat him. You go beat Oga. My hand, no day will see my armpits. They clean.
Carol, you know what? I go start to avoid you for this house. I have seen it. I will start to avoid you because if I not avoid you, I go use my hand, kill you for this house.
Wait. You go use this your hand, kill me, Caro. Hey, Caro Agnes. Hey. So let me tell you, if you don't want to regret this your miserable life, touch me. Just touch me.
So na me the point at Abi. So Caro, you now you don't run your mouth. See, let me tell you, very soon, Oga, Madam and her sister will soon go work. Then I go. If I don't kill you for this house, if I don't kill you for this house today, come in bastard.
Let me dey here. They listen to me.
That's it. Okay, you are sweeping me. Caro, I am talking. You are sweeping me. If I don't kill you for this house today, come in bastard. Oh! Don't worry. Idiot. Yeah, you know even Sabi. Nothing we Sabi to do for this house. Just ordinary sweeping now. You are dancing. Yeah, Shakuti Babo. Shakuti Babo. Just to sweep. You are dancing Shakuti Babo. Don't worry. See, me for this house. If I don't kill you, don't worry. Don't get mad. Afternoon don't reach you. Once they come out, na me and you. If I don't kill you for this house today, come in bastard. Don't be that bastard. Idiot.
You beat your African.
Don't be that bastard. You know what it be for somebody to be chief security officer, CSO. You the mad? Who born you? Who born you? They say respect is a reciprocal. Respect me.
Babe.
Yeah?
So what did Ozoma tell you?
Baby, why are you so eager to know what Ozoma said?
It's not like I am too eager. I just want to know if she talked about me or the job.
Well, when she told me, I didn't believe her. But I told her I was going to confirm from you first.
Babe, I don't like suspense, alright? Can you just go straight to the point?
Okay, you have to give me a yes or a no answer.
Babe, I'm too corporate for this, okay? Listen, I can't possibly sign a document without knowing the details.
Well, did you ask Ozoma not to clean your office again?
Yes, I asked her to stop cleaning my office. Babe, I'm beginning to feel some type of way because I feel like she's too big for that type of job.
But why? She's my sister. She's allowed to clean your office.
I feel like that job is not good enough for her.
Come on, baby. She felt dejected, okay? Just carry her along, alright? I mean, she's been paid for it.
Well, babe, there are other offices in the building, alright? She would still get paid if she doesn't clean mine.
Okay. Okay.
But it's okay, it's fine, I'll just... How was your night?
Terrible.
Terrible, what happened?
You were not home, baby.
Sorry. I missed you.
Ikemba. Now that you have gotten that girl pregnant, what do you want us to do?
Hey. Ndai. So very soon I'll become a grandmother. We will become grandparents. What do you want? Hey.
Neva, just shut up. Look, you are the one spoiling this boy. Yeah? Yes, your son got someone's daughter pregnant and you're here jubilating.
What do you want me to do? Nah, I am happy. That's why I'm jubilating. You've made me proud. Oh, it's Mama,
which one is pride again, Kwano? Eh? Which one is the stop, Kwano? No. We are discussing an important issue here. You're telling me I made you proud or how?
Listen, stop. What is more important than this, my jubilation? What all this level of blessing?
Ikemba.
Papa.
What do you want us to do?
No, I don't understand you. Why are you asking him this kind of question? Here. Oh, he got someone pregnant. And that's what do you want us to do? You married the girl that you got pregnant now. Okay, see me now. Namo. Ikemo. Get ready to welcome your wife. You know why not a lazy beaver. It's a good news. Good news, isn't it?
See how you are saying it as if it is as simple as that. Okay, Alia, bring her in. Alia. Eh? Okay, Ikemba, you had your mother. Are you ready to marry that girl?
Papa, see, what happened was a mistake. I can explain.
Don't my friend, shut up. What was a mistake? I want to look at you. I can explain. Here. Listen. I support you. Ebaneka. Sharpshooter. Ikemba the sharpshooter. Ebanania. Opiolu. Napumaka. High five. Nanumaka nano. Ijelazo we fire. Naya good news Ndambiko. Oh, good news last year. Oh. Hey.
Come in.
Good afternoon, sir. You sent for me.
Yes. Call the cleaner for me.
Which of the cleaners, sir?
Ozioma.
I've not seen her since today.
You haven't seen her today? Are you saying she didn't come to work?
Yes, sir.
You're sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
All right, sir. Thank you. Is missing. What if she's dead?
Babe, you can't possibly know that. Your sister is not dead. Okay? Your sister is not dead. I'm sure she's going to come back. Listen to me. All we have to do is put her in prayers. Okay? And I'm sure everything will be fine. Everything is affecting me. It's affecting you. It's affecting your business. It's affecting me at my office. Do you understand? We need to put ourselves together. Biko, please. You have to open up your shop today. You need to sell off those goods so you can order for new ones.